Yeah.
Can I tell you a story?
Please tell me a story.
What's your name?
My name is Gary.
One day there was a garlic boy who named Gary. He loved playing. He had a birthday party at the park. And he likes the best. That's the boy.
I like Batman.
And there was a bouncy house that had Batman on it.
Robin, do I like Batman and Robin?
And it had Robin and Batman.
Batman and Robin, yay, yay.
And he went to the pool.
What's a pool?
A pool is when you swim inside. There's water inside.
Ooh, water, I like water. Yummy.
What about milk?
Milk? Well, garlic doesn't go so well with milk.
And
Like water.
he had so much fun swimming in the pool.
You have soda? I like soda.
And he drank soda
Oh,
too.
yeah, that's sweet.
And
Where's
then
that girl on the floor?
my sister, her name is Soda.
Really?
Yeah. And this is my mommy, this is my daddy. And that's my baby.
Oh, your baby? You have a baby?
No, he's the baby.
Who's your baby? Oh, they like each other, those two, huh?
Yeah. And he had fun swimming at the pool. He was really tired of swimming. So he played a little bit at the park. And then he ate for dinner.
Did he ever?
What?
Are there any mermaids in the pool?
Yeah.
What are their names? I like mermaids.
There's one that her name is Ariel.
And she's in the pool, I like her.
And Ariel swam at the pool. She was so happy. She had legs now, and she played with the garlic hide and seek.
She didn't eat the garlic, did she?
No.
Good. I get scared when people talk about eating garlic. You wouldn't eat garlic, would you?
No.
Why?
I don't like garlic. It's too spicy for me. Do you?
I kind of am garlic, so I don't mean to eat it. Sometimes when I'm eating, I eat so much. Okay. Let's turn the camera off, Eva.
When I hear the end.
And then Ariel played. And Ariel was talking. The garlic was hiding. And then they played and catch hide. They played catch hide, and Ariel was trying to find. She was fighting, and she was catching, and then she was finding.
Do you mean hide and seek?
No. Catch hide.
Catch hide?
Yeah.
Very neat. That sounds like a fun game. Maybe you can teach your Abba how to play it and he can play it with you?
Yeah. Do you know how to talk Hebrew?
כן, אני מדבר קצת עברית, אבל...
I know how to talk Hebrew a lot.
Oh.
Because my mommy and my sister, my baby talks a little bit Hebrew because he's still a baby.
Does he understand a lot of Hebrew words?
No. He just understands how to say lo and Ima and Abba and Maya and
Mata?
and Mata and Toda
Toda?
and Mala
Mata?
Sean and Sean Lishon
Bookie.
Buki Book and Book. And he loves to sleep, so he said, Sean, Sean, Sean. And he's so funny when he said that. So the story's over.
Okay, thank you very much for the beautiful story.
You're welcome.